and welcome to Legal Basics with Cyra Law Global. I know it's been so long. I've been seeing you guys complaining. Don't worry, we also missed you as well. But finally, we're here, and we're here with the Children Law series. And this series is very close to my heart. First, all of us have been children. All of us. There's not a single human on this earth that was not once a child. So the issues in this series are going to be the ones that apply to all of us. But second of all, this series is important to me because I have been a consumer of child law. I have been a client of it. I have been a litigant in the children's courts. So I have gotten to interact with child law from the other side, where it is supposed to serve me as a mwananchi. And today I have a very special guest for you, and I will let that special guest introduce himself.
My name is Leanne.
You have one name, like toilet.
Leanne Rafi.
Leanne Rafi, how are you?
I'm very fine.
Thank you for coming to Cyber Law Global for the Children Law series.
Welcome.
We're going to be asking you a few questions.
Okay.
For example, who is a child?
A person below the age of 18.
Are you a child?
Yes.
Oh, good. Now, do you know that there's laws that protect children in this country?
Yes.
Where do we find those laws?
And Article 53 of the Constitution
of Kenya?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Do you want to be a lawyer? No. And how come you know articles already? That's interesting. So, Leanne, what are some of the rights you think you have as a child?
Right to education, right to healthcare, and right to play.
Yeah. What about, are there harmful things that could happen to you that could violate your rights?
Yes.
Like?
Someone can bully you, for example, or someone might come and hit you to the extent where you get injured very badly. Yeah.
Like me, I mean, I'm allowed to beat you up. This is Africa, so I'm allowed to give you shippy kidogo. But if it went too far, then it would be a child abuse, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what happens? What happens if a child is abused or their rights are violated?
They can talk to a trusted adult. They can, if they're able to, they can go and report to the nearest police station. Or if they have a mobile device with them, they can call the children helpline, which is 116.
I also didn't know. I mean, I've learned that from Leanne today. Now, viewers, as we go through all the topics in this Children Law series, we're going to be centering on a principle that is called the best interest of the child principle. Leanne, do you have any idea what that principle means?
It means whatever happens, that the interest of the child is at the top.
Okay, yeah, basically. So the best interest of the child principle basically means that whenever the rights or issues of a child are to be decided, then the best interest of the child will be of utmost consideration, whether it's in issues of maintenance, issues of parental responsibility, issues of custody, all the issues you can think of. The best interest of the child will be the number one principle. All other considerations will come next. So stay tuned. We have wonderful, interesting topics for you. We will be chilling for your questions, for your comments, for your suggestions. Please remember to write to us at info@smlawafrica.com. That's info@smlawafrica.com. You can also write to us through our old Gmail address. That is sirenlawglobal@gmail.com. Take care of yourself, take care of your families, and see you next time. Bye.